Also irgendwie sollten Sie Ihren Führerschein abgeben, wenn Sie es nicht können. Oder Sie sollten noch mal in die Fahrschule gehen.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious, idiots, thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass, but I'm not gonna wake up, wake up.
Wenn euch das Video gefällt, dann lasst mir doch einen Daumen hoch da, abonniert diesen Kanal und aktiviert die Glocke, wenn ihr auf dem Laufenden bleiben wollt.
They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass, but I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet. Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa, no, no, not yet. Whoa, but I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet. Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa, no, no, not yet. Whoa, I'm not gonna wake up. I don't need no one to say you're complicated,
Sag mal, langsam anhalten, gucken.
cause I knew from the start this
Ja,
might
und
be
wenn Sie so beim Hochfahren
overrated.
nicht sagen, oder? Naja,
It's so typical, you
dann waren Sie
wanna
zu
give
schnell.
it one more
Dann waren Sie zu schnell.
try.
Ja. Und hier sind noch mal zwei Augen.
Even though if your mind's
Und
telling you it's all a lie.
Ihr könnt hier angucken.
Oh, I gotta wake
Langsam fahren,
up.
anhalten,
This might be a
weiterfahren. Dann
breakup.
machen wir
'Cause I don't believe you when you say that you miss me. 'Cause where are your actions to prove me you're different? When I say I need you and you head the direction that's leading away from me, baby. I don't believe you, no. 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 I don't believe you, no, no. One thing I love about you is your dedication.
Und wenn ihr mich und den Kanal noch weiter unterstützen wollt, dann schaut doch mal in die Videobeschreibung. Da gibt es einen Link zu meinem Patreon-Account. Oder ihr könnt mir natürlich auch eine Spezi oder ein Malzbier ausgeben. Da freue ich mich ganz besonders drüber.
Wake up, 'cause I don't believe you when you say that you miss me. 'Cause where are your actions to prove me you're different? When I say I need you and you head the direction that's leading away from me, baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't believe you, no. 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 I don't believe might be a breakup. 'Cause I don't believe you when you say that you miss me. 'Cause where are your actions to prove me you're different? When I say I need you and you head the direction that's leading away from me, baby. I don't believe you, no. I don't believe you, no, no. I don't believe you, 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 no, no. 'Cause I don't believe you when you say that you miss me. 'Cause where are your actions to prove me you're different? When I say I need you and you head the directions that's leading away from me, baby. Yeah, yeah. I've been through heartaches, I've been to heaven. I've done my best and my worst, learned my lessons. No matter how hard my life would treat me, I'd always get right back up, never would